Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, 4-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.